This one's a classic to all you Mario people out there.
N64 Mario Raceway.
Nintendo 64 rocks.
Yeah, it did.
It had actually surprisingly good graphics.
Yes, it did.
Some of it was good.
You suck.
Get your butts back here.
Why?
Cause I will rape you.
Like, dude, I don't want to go back there.
Oh, douche! Nice thing.
Ah, gay.
Okay.
Yes, you are.
I tried.
Time. In Sam's name, I shall.
Oh!
Beep, bop, beep.
And the same thing came towards me too.
Beep, bop, boop, beep, bop, 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 bop.
And now I shall take advantage of
Amadeus,
it.
Amadeus.
Oh yes, my good luck charm as usual.
Hey, I made lots of Slipknot references.
No!
In our old videos, I made lots of Slipknot references, but I don't got any.
That's gay!
Where's my Slipknot reference? Okay,
That's
but
real gay. I had a good luck charm and a freaking lightning bolt came. Oh well.
that works. Oh, crap.
You suck!
Of course. Oh, freaking course. Oh, freaking course. It always happens.
Oh crap. No! Dang. Ah.
See, man? You have learned nothing, my apprentice. Sometimes wheeling is a bad idea.
I didn't actually do that one on purpose though. That was an accident.
You did a wheelie on accident.
Yes, I did.
Alright.
Ooh, crappy.
That one, for example, was a perfect.
Look, it's like it usually is first, second, and third.
I know.
Amadeus, Amadeus. I'm not gay.
Did that first one hit you?
Oh yeah! Nah. Hate turns.
I'm not gay. I'm not gay.
Yes, you are.
Are you sure?
Yes!
No!
Dude! I might actually come in second! I come in second!
You douchebag! I got
Second! Second!
Shut up,
Second!
bragging.
Second!
You
I come in
douche.
second! I come in second!
Well, you might come second this time, but I got second ranking. I beat you in the entire thing.
The veteran has returned, but now shall leave.
No.
Now